Let's look at rip-off. This means to scam or overcharge someone maliciously. For example, that designer shirt is a rip-off. Back out. This means to withdraw from a promise or deal at the last minute. For example, he promised to invest but he backed out. Screw up. This means to make a catastrophic careless mistake. For example, he lost patience and screwed up his exam. Blow up. This means to suddenly explode with extreme anger. For example, she blew up at her husband for coming home late. Look after. This means to take care of someone or something. For example, feeding a baby is messy, but the father patiently looks after him. Hang out. This means to spend time relaxing with people. For example, the three girls decided to hang out in the park to enjoy the sunny weather. Geek out. This means to become highly excited about a specific, nerdy topic or hobby. For example, she completely geeks out checking skincare ingredients at the shop. Pig out. This means to eat a very large amount of food quickly and greedily. For example, she decided to angrily pig out on comfort food after a terrible day. Nod off. This means to fall asleep accidentally while sitting up, usually due to boredom or fatigue. For example, the lecture was so long that I saw several students nod off. Bump into. This means to meet someone you know completely by accident or chance. For example, John bumped into his old college roommate while walking through Central Park. Blown away. This means to be extremely impressed, surprised, or amazed by something. For example, the mother was completely blown away by her little daughter's sweet gesture of giving her a flower. Map out. This means to plan or lay out a detailed strategy, route, or program. For example, during the morning meeting, the boss mapped out her strategic vision to all department members. Drift off. This means to gradually and peacefully fall asleep. For example, the little boy began to drift off as soon as his head hit the pillow. Sift through. This means to examine a large collection of items carefully to find what you want. For example, Liam carefully sifted through the storage box to find his vintage comic book. Knuckle down. This means to start working or studying very hard with intense focus. For example, with his final exam tomorrow morning, Lucas had to knuckle down and study throughout the entire night. Spruce up. This means to clean, decorate, or improve the appearance of something. For example, Leo and Mia spent the entire afternoon working together to spruce up the messy living room. Plunge into. This means to suddenly throw oneself into an activity or a physical space, like water. For example, without a second thought, the little boy plunged into the cool swimming pool. Jazz up. This means to make something more interesting or lively. For example, the baker decided to jazz up the cake by putting a bright red cherry on top. Bliss out. This means to become totally relaxed and deeply happy. For example, surrounded by nature, the couple blissed out during their afternoon picnic. Clutter up. This means to fill a space with too many messy things. For example, the little boy decided to clean his room because his toys were starting to clutter up the floor. Flick through. This means to look quickly through a book, a magazine, or TV channels. For example, the two siblings flicked through the extensive restaurant menu before calling the waiter over to take their order. Splash out. This means to spend a lot of money on something, usually as a treat. For example, after receiving her bonus, she went to the mall to splash out on expensive clothes. Move in. This means to start living in a new residence. For example, the excited family cannot wait to move into their beautiful new home this weekend. Settle in. This means to become comfortable in a new place or situation. For example, every Friday, we settle in for a movie night. Tidy up. This means to make a room neat by putting things in their proper places. For example, we need to tidy up the messy table. Sweep up. This means to gather dirt or debris from the floor using a broom. For example, Mary sweeps up outside the house. Mop up. This means to use a cloth or mop to clear spilled liquid from the floor. For example, David mops up the washroom every Friday. Dust down. This means to remove dust from surfaces or furniture. For example, the two siblings dusted down the dusty table before dinner. Freak out. This means to suddenly become extremely angry, scared, or excited. For example, the dog freaked out and started chasing the boy. Burst out. This means to suddenly start crying, laughing, or shouting. For example, hearing the loud crackers, the baby burst out crying. Light up. This means to suddenly look very happy, bright, or excited. For example, daddy's gifts light up his daughter's face. Freeze up. This means to suddenly become unable to move, speak, or think due to nervousness. For example, the man freezes up from nervousness, perk up. This means to give someone more energy or a better mood. For example, his beautiful singing really perked up his girlfriend when she was feeling down. Pour out. This means to share your deepest thoughts, secrets, or emotions completely and without holding back. For example, he poured out all his frustration to the therapist. Take up. This means to start a new hobby, sport, or interest. For example, she decided to take up photography over the weekend. Whip up. This means to prepare or cook food very quickly and easily. For example, the children secretly woke up early to whip up a beautiful strawberry cake for their mother's birthday. Bowl over. This means to surprise, amaze, or impress someone immensely. For example, the moment she stepped out in that beautiful dress, he was completely bowled over by her beauty and fell for her all over again. Leap at. This means to accept an opportunity or offer immediately with great excitement. For example, when the company offered him a job in Paris, he leaped at the chance. Line up. This means to stand in a row or queue waiting for a product or service. For example, the citizens quietly lined up in an orderly queue to vote for their new community leader. Handout. This means to distribute items, papers, or flyers to a group of people directly. For example, the teacher began to hand out the final English grammar exam papers. Look through. This means to read or examine a book, document, or folder quickly to find a piece of information. For example, I spent an hour looking through the dictionary to find the best phrasal verbs. Eat out. This means to have a meal at a restaurant or cafe instead of cooking food at home. For example, we were too tired to cook dinner, so we decided to eat out at a local diner. Trip over. This means to knock your foot against an object accidentally and lose your balance or fall. For example, the man wasn't looking at the ground and he tripped over a banana peel and fell flat on his back. Space out. This means to stare into blank space and completely stop paying attention to your surroundings because you are daydreaming. For example, Lina is spacing out right now because she's worried about her exam scores. Chew out. This means to angrily and harshly scold someone for a mistake. For example, the angry manager chewed out the employee for losing the file. Look up. This means to raise your eyes to look at something high above you. For example, hearing a loud engine noise, the little boy looked up at the sky to find the passing plane. Climb up. This means to move toward the top of something using your hands and feet. For example, the boy climbs up the mountain every day. Run after. This means to chase someone or something that is moving away. For example, the playful dog runs after the ball in the park every afternoon. See off. This means to go to an airport, station, or harbor to say goodbye to someone who is leaving. For example, the parents go to the train station to see off their son before his big trip. Go over. This means to examine or check something carefully. For example, the accountant had to go over the financial papers to find the missing numbers. Subscribe for more videos.